Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the easiest and most effective way to achieve a clean mid-round fade on a low cut step by step. Whether you are a beginner barber or looking to improve your fading technique, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Let's get into it. To begin, use your clipper with no guard attached and clipper lever fully closed. Start by creating your first guideline slightly above the ear and follow the same shape evenly around the head. Since you are creating a mid-round fade, avoid taking the guideline too high. Also make sure you clean the hair properly around the neck area to maintain a clean and neat foundation. This first guideline determines the overall structure of the fade, so take your time and keep it consistent. Next, open your clipper lever fully. Create a second guideline slightly above the first one, maintaining the same round shape around the head. Keep your strokes smooth and controlled, and make sure the spacing between both guidelines remains consistent throughout. Now, bring the clipper lever to the halfway position. Begin blending the first guideline into the second guideline using gentle flicking motions. Work gradually around the head until the lower guideline begins to disappear. At this stage, you are creating the foundation of a smooth fade. Attach your number one guard and close the clipper lever fully. Begin fading the second guideline into the main hair. Keep your hand movements controlled and avoid pushing the fade too high. Consistency is very important here if you want a clean and balanced result. With the number one guard still attached, fully open the clipper lever. Continue blending into the main hair while removing any bulk around the second guideline. This helps create a smooth transition from the fade into the top section of the hair. Once you are satisfied with the blend, use the same setting to level the entire hair evenly into a clean low cut. Make sure the hair is uniform throughout. Remove the guard and open the clipper lever fully. Now, it is time for detailing. Use the corners of your clipper to target dark spots, uneven areas, and any remaining lines within the fade. Work carefully around the entire head. Detailing is one of the most important stages of barbering because it is what transforms a good fade into a professional fade. The next step is the carving. Use your trimmer to carve out clean and precise edges around the hairline. Take your time here because a sharp line-up greatly enhances the overall appearance of the haircut. To blend the beard into the faded area, use your clipper with the lever fully open and create a smooth transition between the beard and the skin fade. This helps maintain balance and gives the haircut a more polished finish. For extra sharpness, you can use a razor blade to refine and define your lineup. After shaving, always apply an aftershave cream or treatment. This helps soothe the skin and reduces the chance of irritation, razor bumps, and ingrown hairs. Professional barbering is not just about the haircut, it is also about proper aftercare. And here we have it, a clean, well executed mid-round fade on a low cut. From guideline placement to blending, detailing, line-up, and finishing touches. Every step here plays an important role in achieving a professional result. If you enjoyed this tutorial or you learned something new today, let me know in the comment sections. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and professional haircut education. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.